Good morning, students. Today our topic is sex determination. What is sex determination? How it is decided that whether individual will be a male or female. So now in this lecture we going to know about sex determination. How do we determine? How do chromosomes are responsible for determining the sex of an individual? So what is sex determination? You can say it means हम कैसे ये पता लगाएंगे कि एक इंडिविजुअल का सेक्स क्या है, whether it is a male or a female. So this is a system which decides sexual characteristics, means a male or a female. Sexual characteristics of an individual or offspring. That means it helps to determine whether the individual will be a male or female. So determine means we are determining the sex of an individual, whether it is a male or female. So to know about the sex of an individual, there is a widely used technique that is known as chromosomal sex determination. What is it? This chromosomal sex determination, in which sex of an individual decides by chromosomes. As you know that in case of human beings, if there are 46 chromosomes in a somatic cell. So out of these 46 chromosomes, 44 chromosomes are known as autosomes and 2 chromosomes are known as allosomes or sex chromosomes. So the combination of the allosomes or 2 chromosomes will either be XX or XY. XX chromosome combination is meant for a female individual and XY combination is meant for a male individual. So this chromosomal sex determination, in which sex of an individual decides by chromosomes X or Y. For example, human female carries XX chromosomes. So there is a pair of X chromosomes and the male carries X and Y chromosomes. Okay, so what I told you, there are 46 chromosomes, 44 are autosomes and 2 are allosomes or sex chromosomes. These 2 chromosomes can either be XX, which goes for a female individual, or this could be XY, goes for male individual. Okay, so in this lecture we would discuss about sex determination in human beings, and we would determine the sex in insects and birds in our next lecture. So sex determination in human beings, these are the parents, father and mother, and as I told you that in case of male, the combination of allosomes or sex chromosomes will be X and Y, and in females XX. So father, the XY chromosomes, and in mother XX chromosomes. These are allosomes. Okay, so these are allosomes. Okay. So when the gametes are formed, when the reproductive cells are formed after the meiosis or meiotic division takes place, and the reduction of division takes place and the separation happens, or you can say the segregation takes place. There is one X chromosome, one Y chromosome. ये जो XY है, इसमें से X यहाँ चला गया, Y यहाँ चला गया. Segregation is taking place. Similarly, in case of mother, X and X. Half the number of chromosome will be transported. तो आधा यहाँ आ गया, बोले एक यहाँ आ गया, एक यहाँ चला गया. Similarly in case of mother. Sorry. Then next, fertilization process would be taken place. So there are four possibilities. This X chromosome would fertilize, if this X chromosome of the father would fertilize with X chromosome of mother, the resultant will be a female individual. And if this X chromosome would fertilize with this X chromosome mother, then again female individual. But if this Y chromosome of father would fertilize either with this X chromosome of mother or this X chromosome of mother, what would be the result? X and Y. X and Y. Both individual would be a male. So, zygote is formed after fertilization. In the zygote, chromosome number, which is 46 in case of human beings, is retained, and in case then the offsprings, we are witnessing there are two females and two males. Means two females with 2XX ratio to XY. Okay, so ऐसे कर लीजिए 1:1. What does it mean? There is 50-50% possibility of having a male child and a female child. इसमें से एक चीज आपको ये भी पता होनी चाहिए that father is responsible for the sex of an individual. So it is father who is responsible for the sex of an offspring. क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं what makes a difference. This Y chromosome of father is making a difference. This Y chromosome is responsible for determining the sex of an individual, whether it would be a male or female. Okay, so there is 50-50% chances. Though it's okay, so 50% chance for female child and 50% chances for male child. Okay, next. There are some informations about these sex chromosomes. So human sex, and it's very important, human sex is determined by the presence or absence of this Y chromosome. As I told you, if this Y chromosome would not be here, there would not be any male child. Or you can say that female sex is default sex of individual, or you can say the default sex of human beings. मैंने क्या कहा कि जो X क्रोमोसोम है और जो फीमेल होना, with this combination XX or female individual is the default sex of human beings. Why default sex of human beings? If there is no Y, there would always be female. Okay, तो ये default sex है, तो ये क्योंकि ये sex रहेगा ही रहेगा. डिफरेंस कब आएगा? अगर Y क्रोमोसोम मेल जो है वो डोनेट करेगा. अगर मेल की तरफ से Y क्रोमोसोम जाएगा और वो जो Y क्रोमोसोम है, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि in a single ejaculation of sperms into the vaginal tract of female reproductive system, there are around 2 to 2.5 crore of millions of sperms. So 2 से 2.5 मिलियन स्पर्म्स जो कि एंटर होते हैं वेजाइनल ट्रैक्ट में, उनमें से किसी एक को चांस मिलेगा. और जो एक आपका स्पर्म है, वो एक स्पर्म क्या कैरी कर रहा है, एक्स कैरी कर रहा है या वाई कैरी कर रहा है, तो इस चीज पे वो डिसीजन डिसाइड होती है. सो देयर आर 50-50% चांसेस. सो द फीमेल सेक्स इज अ डिफॉल्ट सेक्स ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल, बट इन केस if it receives Y chromosome, then that child or that offspring would be a male. Okay, so human sex is determined by the presence or absence of Y chromosome. With this Y chromosome, this Y chromosome with a functional gene, SRY gene. This is Y chromosome. This is Y chromosome, and this Y chromosome carries this gene named SRY gene. And always do remember, this SRY gene is responsible for the production of testosterone, male sex hormone. Okay, this SRY gene is responsible for producing testosterone hormone, which is known as male sex hormone, and anti-Mullerian hormone. This anti-Mullerian hormone has role in folliculogenesis, growth and growth differentiation. This anti-Mullerian hormone is structurally similar to inhibin and activin hormones. Both of these hormones, testosterone and anti-Mullerian hormones, which are produced by this SRY gene, or you can say that testosterone and anti-Mullerian hormones are the product of this SRY gene. Both of these hormones ensure the development of male reproductive system. Okay. So, due to this SRY gene on this Y chromosome, what happens? Development of male reproductive system. इसका बोलने का मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर ये SRY जीन डिफेक्टिव होगा, अगर ये इसमें Y क्रोमोसोम पे प्रेजेंट नहीं है ये SRY जीन, then no male reproductive system, or there is no male individual. So all the males on this earth who are getting this the male sex only because of the presence of SRY gene on this Y chromosome. Okay, जो आपने पढ़ा है in the last lecture that Y chromosome is much smaller in size as compared to X chromosome and carries around approximately 100 genes on it, along with this very important gene, that is SRY gene. Okay, so another important term, this is bar body. What is bar body? This is in case of female, XX. If there is more than one X chromosome in a pair, अगर कहीं पे जैसे in case of females में क्या होता है, there are two X chromosomes, so inactivation, इनमें से एक ही activation हो जाएगी, inactivation हो जाएगी, transcriptionally it would become inactive. यानी इन दो X chromosomes में से एक X chromosome जो है वो inactive हो जाएगा, ये कोई अपना एक्सप्रेशन शो नहीं करेगा, बिल्कुल ये इनएक्टिव हो जाएगा. इसके ऊपर जितने भी जो जीन्स होंगे वो सारे के सारे इनएक्टिव, उनका कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनेगा, वो कोई भी एंजाइम्स नहीं बनाएंगे, नो इंटरफेरेंस, ओनली वन वुड रिमेन एक्टिव. सो इनएक्टिवेशन ऑफ वन एक्स क्रोमोसोम इज नोन एज, दैट इनएक्टिवेटेड एक्स क्रोमोसोम इज नोन एज बार बॉडी. This process of inactivation of one X chromosome is known as lyonization. X chromosome inactivation. So यहाँ पे आप लोगों ने this lyonization, inactivation of X chromosome, bar body, inactivated X chromosome, SRY gene on Y chromosome responsible for the production of testosterone and anti-Mullerian hormone, which are responsible for the development of male reproductive system and all the male sex characteristics. And these are the possibilities of having a male or a female offspring. Okay, father and mother, XY and XX chromosome. How do they fertilize with each other in order to produce male or female child? So this is about the human sex determination. In our next lecture we will discuss about the sex determination in insects, or especially honeybees and birds. Thank you.